Hi, I'm Shivani Kawa and I'm back again with the update on the Dharmasthala mass burial case. Do tune into the News Minute to watch these updates every day. Now, on July 28, the complainant in the mass burial case identified 13 spots where he said to have buried these bodies. The next day, Assistant Commissioner Stella Verghese gave permission to the SIT to dig up at these places. She also arrived at the Beltangadi police station earlier today, that is July 29. Team of forensic experts also arrived here. Over 10 laborers were also brought in to assist with the digging. Around 1 p.m., the entire team, including the SIT officials, forensic officials, scientists and the complainant himself, came to the Snanaghatta. From there, they moved to the forested area on the left side of the Netravati Snanaghatta, where the digging operations finally began. For around 2.5 hours, the workers dug manually. Now, this spot which was excavated lies very close to the Netravati river. Officials who were part of the dig told us that each time water kept seeping in, making it difficult to dig further. Later, an excavator was brought in to assist with the search. Many local residents I spoke to said that this site is prone to flooding. So, if a body was buried at a shallow depth of 4 feet, then repeated flooding could have caused it to deep further underground. This particular area saw a flood in 2018. The police insists that if the worker dug 6 feet deep pit, then they will dig 12 feet. But this entire task is not going to be easy simply because of the terrain. Of the 13 spots, 12 are in forest areas. The exhumation will resume on July 30th. Now, in another update, the lawyer of Sujata Bhatt, mother of Ananya Bhatt, who's allegedly disappeared in Dharmasthala, has asked for the arrest of Beltangadi Gram Panchayat Vice President Srinivas Rao. Now, Rao has been saying that many of the unclaimed bodies have been buried in these areas and the Panchayat has all the papers. The lawyer has said that even if one body is found in these exhumations, Rao should be arrested as the Panchayat could not have simply buried in forest areas which require multiple permissions. We at the News Minute have been continuously reporting from the ground on the Dharmasthala mass burial case, and I will continue to cover the stories and bring you reports from the ground. Now, we are on ad-free platforms powered by our subscriber. Do support our work by taking a paid subscription or contributing to our reporting fund.